There's the little Halloween monkey. He's in his monkey outfit. And he's eating his favorite candy, M&M's. Say hi. Isn't that nummy? You want more monkey? Daddy is at the hospital, huh? He's working on Halloween, so we're just hanging out eating candy. Mommy carved a pumpkin that's a kitty. We're just chilling, huh? Bench! Chasing the kitties all over. Oh, you chasing the kitties? Say kitties? You looking for more now? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.